FranLab. Hey, it's Fran, again, in the lab. Just wanted to say that producing content for FranLab has been my daily passion for over a decade, and for the last 6 years, doing this full time, and FranLab is a channel that is completely supported by viewers just like you. I don't take endorsements, I don't do product promotions, none of that stuff. I keep ads at the absolute minimum that YouTube requires for videos to be circulated, and they're all skippable. No mid-roll ads, ever. No, it's all public support. And I do my utmost to make the best content that I can every single week. So FranLab is not the average YouTube channel, not by a long stretch. My videos span the worlds of vintage electronics, art, writing instruments, music, woodworking, fabrication, science, philosophy, and sometimes I do a little ranting, but just a little bit. And it's my supporters on Patreon that keep all this going. And I'd like to continue doing this crazy thing into 2025. So I need your help. By becoming a member of Team FranLab, you become a part of all the content that I produce. And supporters who join Team FranLab get a swag pack that contains an individual membership card signed by me. I get a super cool magnet badge. Whoop, upside down, the electrons will fall out. And a couple of custom FranLab vinyl stickers that you can put literally anywhere you want. Pretty sure they're weatherproof too. Plus you get cool stamps and all kinds of stuff, all put together in a real envelope, mailed to you anywhere in the world, assembled by me. And top Team FranLab members get included in the credit roll at the end of every video forever. So if you like what I do, want to support the FranLab, just follow the link in the description, become a patron. I will thank you personally. Okay, I'm Fran, and thank you.